multiple successes, multiple failures, and many lessons along the way. This is my story. For me, this journey started long before I knew it. As a kid, I was obsessed with the BMW brand. The iconic adverts, the sound, the design, the motorsport pedigree, and watching that legendary E30 M3 lap after lap after lap just sowed that seed into the BMW motorsport world. That passion led me to go-karting, winning championships, collecting trophies, and even having opportunities to go further. Next came cars, and everything that came with that. I started turning my hand to different aspects of motorsport like drifting throughout my late teens and early 20s, spending a lot of time at places like Aldershot Arena. My knowledge at this point was very limited, but one thing was for sure, I was keen to learn. Having also spent a lot of time in my childhood on BMXs, cars just felt like a natural progression. Now this started to spiral and I soon found myself needing a workshop. So I rented my first unit where I had the ability to buy and sell and also work on these cars. I had an ambition, a goal, and I was working towards something every single day. So in my late teens and early 20s, I reaped the rewards owning some of my childhood dream cars like my Dakar yellow E36 M3 at such a young age. And this showed me if I put my mind to it with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. With this came business expansion. As you can see, I moved into a bigger unit and unfortunately had to sell the Dakar yellow E36 in order to continue to grow. Now what happened next? COVID-19. I had just given up my full-time job, I'd just sold my own pride and joy, and just about to go full send on my business when the whole world got shut down. Now this forced my hand to taking some bigger risks, and in hindsight, it was probably a blessing in disguise. So we built the workshop that you now see on the channel, and that is where the real journey began. I started the YouTube channel and started documenting everything with the intention of growing this business. One of my first documented builds was Taylor Hetherington's old Hellrot Red E36 M3. The car had history, it had even featured on CarWow. Unfortunately, the engine was blown. For me, it was the perfect project. I S54 swapped it, restored it, and sold it on for a profit. So now I was building track-inspired BMWs, enjoying them on track, and also making a profit. So it made sense to rinse and repeat. So over the next 3 years, I continued to build purpose-built BMWs, M50 turbo drift cars, extreme track cars, all the way to big power M57 swapped Alpina diesels, diversifying that portfolio and gaining more knowledge, and ultimately trying to put WDS Originals on the map. Now somewhere in that 3-year journey, something quite remarkable happened. I was presented the opportunity to buy my absolute ultimate dream car, a BMW E30 M3. Now this car was being sold as just a bare shell, which for some was quite off-putting, as there was no original engine and no interior. However, for me, with my background, I saw a massive opportunity. I could build this car into a bespoke track car that fully represented myself and the WDS Originals brand. Now this came at a massive financial risk, as it pretty much run me down to zero. I also knew that I wouldn't be able to build this car immediately. I'd have to carry on working, saving up as much money, and eventually get round to building this car. So it was just going to be sat in my workshop, looking pretty, not getting touched. It also came with some tough decisions a few months later when I was forced to sell my individual E39 M5.
And there's an E39 M5 behind us.
Selling this car was one of the most painful decisions I've had to make on this journey. But sometimes you have to let go of good things in order to get the greater things. And that E30 M3 shell and my business represented the greater things. Now I'm going to show you some clips from 3 years ago when I actually owned that M5 and show you how the sacrifice actually paid off.
I'll be honest with you, the dream colour was actually an Amola red.
And around a year and a half after selling that car, I actually purchased a rundown Amola red M5 that we restored and modified to an OEM Plus spec. That video is on the channel, again, if you do want to check that out. The link is in the description. Now there was also another thing in that original M5 video, back when I had the Velvet Blue M5, that I'm going to cut to now.
Now, as a kid, I did always want to supercharge an M5.
And that is something I'm proud to say that I'm about to achieve. But I am about to achieve that in a very different way to what you're thinking. So here we have it, the grand reveal. This is my S62 that I am going to be supercharging and putting in my E30 M3 shell. We're also going to be coupling that with a DCT gearbox from an E92 M3, so this is going to make for a hell of a build. Now, of course, if you want to see more on this exact car, there will be videos coming on the channel in the coming few weeks. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and of course support the channel, as this is going to be a mega build. Now, all this footage that you're currently seeing today is actually footage that's been filmed quite a while ago, as I took quite a long break from social media. The reason for that is because I simply had too many builds going on and too much going on inside the business that I couldn't continue to upload. Now, I never stopped filming and I never stopped building these cars. Now, one of the other cars that I've spent a lot of time building is my V10 E92 M3. Again, we're doing a DCT build on that, so I'm simultaneously building my E30 M3 and also that V10 E92 M3. So what that means for the future is the content is only going to get better and better. Of course, we'll still do the build style videos and also the individual episodes. The other thing that's going to go hand in hand with this is I would like to expand the business. We're going to be soon offering brand merchandise and trying to grow this YouTube channel and also a social media platform. I'm planning on working with various other brands as we move forwards and hoping that these builds get bigger and better as we go along. I'm hoping that you guys enjoy the content and hopefully you'll get to enjoy the cars at various shows across the UK. Of course, if you want to come on this journey with us, the free way you guys can do so from home is simply hit that subscribe button and keep up to date. Remember guys, there's plenty of content already on the channel and I thoroughly enjoy reading all your comments. So feel free to comment on this video of anything you guys might want to see. For now, I'm going to leave it at that and look forward to seeing you on next week's video where I introduce the E30 M3 to the channel and show you all that unseen footage from 3 years ago when I purchased that car. Thanks for watching today's video, and I guess I'll see you on the next one.